Hi everybody, Mel here. So today I'm doing a little unboxing. This is an unboxing of our feature of the week items. So I just got home, just ripping open the box. There. Let's see what we got. So this is all feature of the week items. Sorry about the mess behind me. Ignore it. Alright, so if you pay attention to the page, you'll know what the feature of the week items are. They are up on the top of my cover photo on Facebook. We got What's Up Peaches. Now, this was on sale the first week of June. This one is amazing. It smells delicious, like the most divine peaches ever. Okay? What's Up Peaches? They are almost sold out. When they are sold out, I don't know if they are yet, but as of last week, they were almost sold out. Once they're gone until they go back in stock, probably next summer, next spring, summerish. Ooh, so excited for this one. Chatter, I have this one already. This smells like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's island fruit and sweet citrus. Just smells fruity, refreshing, delicious, yum. Okay? That's our Chatter bath bar. It's a big chunk bath bar, as you can see. It's pretty large. So, I love these. They're only 12 bucks. This is not the feature of the week this week, but it will be coming up. This week's feature of the week, boom, Sassy Yuma. So, this is a 6-ounce brightening orange peel and citrus extract. It's an exfoliating gel, and it is so cool. So we're going to check this out because this is our feature of the week this week. And we got, boom, fake it till you make it. Okay, so this is like a tan in a bottle. No, it doesn't make you turn orange. You're going to want to exfoliate before you use this. So if you want to use this on your legs, you're going to exfoliate your legs with one of these, the mild exfoliating shower gel, and then you're going to use this. Now, the next time you exfoliate, you're going to have to reapply this. So it's a gradual tanner. It's kind of like a self tanner, but it doesn't smell like chemicals. It'll gradually darken your skin between 2 and 4 hours. So let's see. Stay looking sun-kissed all year long with this moisturizing, quick-drying, gradual tanning body cream. So I'm going to use some of this as samples. I don't really need it for myself because I tan really well. So it's not something that I would use. And the last feature of the week item, hiccups. Fresh and creamy milk. Now I'm really excited about this. This is a body butter. It's pretty big. Like, it's bigger than I anticipated. With shea butter, milk thistle, and bamboo. Obviously, this is not a vegan item. A lot of these items are vegan. This right here, the fake it till you make it, is vegan. Sassy Yuma is vegan. Yep, vegan. Chatter, I believe, is vegan. Yep, vegan. And What's Up Peaches? This stuff smells so good. It's my favorite lotion. Once it's gone, I'm going to be really sad. This is also vegan. So the fresh and creamy milk one is the only one that is not vegan. Obviously, because there's milk in it. And we're going to smell this real quick because I'm really excited. I'm sorry, my desk is a wreck and I just got home from work. It's been a long day. Oh my gosh. It smells like almond milk. Wow. I'm actually going to try some of this body butter out. I actually, I just ordered the, what the heck is it called? The magnesium body butter, and I've been using that, and I've been putting that on before I go to sleep because it helps reduce stress and stuff. This smells like almond milk. It's so nice. So I'm going to use what's on this little lid here. It's very thick and very creamy. That smells amazing. So you're going to obviously use this after you get out of the shower. Get your body butter going. It is so nice. It's thick, very thick. So it'll be perfect to keep in the moisture. Lock it in. I've been using our coconut oil, the Absolute Passion Fruit coconut oil. every day after I take a shower, and it's amazing right now. They did take those off the website. I'm not sure if they're back up. This feels so nice. I'm not sure if they're back up yet, but they are doing some new packaging for them, wrapping them properly, so that way in the event that they do leak when they're shipping, you know, it's not going to get all over the box and all over your other products, because that would be just gross. This smells so yummy. Fresh, creamy milk. I cannot wait for this one to go on sale, because this smells like the beach. It smells like almond in the beach, and just like a nice summer night flavor, you know? Scent, I guess. Scent, not flavor. I don't know. All right, so then here we have the Sassiuma brightening orange peel and citrus extracts. So the Sassiuma, it kind of awakens your senses. We used to have the hand cream, big fat yummy hand cream for the Sassiuma, and we don't have it anymore. It's sold out. So this will awaken your senses when you use it in the morning. You're going to want to use this before you apply your self tanner or your gradual tanner. Fake it till you make it. It's just this smells so refreshing, and like it really does wake you up. Intoxicating scent of sweet orchard citrus, scrub from neck to toes. So you don't want to use this on your face. It's not a face wash. You can if you want to, I guess. If something's not recommended for my face, I don't typically use it on my face, because I don't want my face to break out. I already used BFF on my face, and I will not change to anything else, because there is not one face wash that has done what BFF has done for my face. So this right here, we're going to pop it open. I am going to be sending out some samples of this. I'm going to put a little bit right there. Look at that. It's so great. It's a gel. It's an exfoliating gel. It feels so cold. Oh, smells so good. Look at it. It's such a fun color. It smells delicious. I honestly just want to lick this right now, but I can't. Oh, it feels nice. Oops. This smells so good. All right, well, we're going to have to go wash our hands. All right. So, I just washed my hands, and this stuff is thick. As with most Posh products, you don't need to use a ton. It's super lathery, and it's really, really thick. So you go light on this when you're washing with it, and you'll make it last. But it is 6 ounces. It's a decent size. It's a decent size. My hands are still wet, so sorry. I'm really excited to use that now. It smells so good. Like, my hands smell like oranges. If you love the smell of oranges and citrus, that is the perfect product for you. Fake it till you make it. Smell this, baby. With shea, sweet almond, and safflower. Gradual tanning body cream. Now, I love the smell of almond. Oh my gosh. I keep making these cinnamon rolls. I saw the recipe on Facebook. I keep making these cinnamon rolls, and I keep using vanilla extract and almond extract, and they come out magnifique. I just love the smell of almond. All right. Putting a little of this on, but I'm going to probably just rub it in and leave it, because it doesn't matter. It's not going to work for me. I'm already dark. It might work for me. My hands turn brown. I'll take a picture for you guys. Oh, it smells really good. It smells sweet, like it's making my mouth water. It doesn't smell like chemical. I think what I'm smelling is the safflower. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to go put some more body butter on. Well, I'm going to take a shower first, throw some body butter on, and relax.